welcome to the 3B Kids of Texas channel.
Today we're making cookies for Santa.
We are going to make triple chocolate cookies.
We need 3/4 cup unsalted butter.
Make the butter creamy. I can totally get this on.
Add 1/4 cup of sugar.
We need 3/4 cup dark brown sugar. It should look light brown and fluffy when it's all mixed.
Add 1 egg.
We need 2 teaspoons vanilla.
Mix it up.
In another bowl, we need 2 cups flour,
2 teaspoons cornstarch.
We need 1 teaspoon baking soda.
Half teaspoon salt. Gently stir together.
gradually add the dry ingredients.
And now it's time to add the chocolate.
Add 3/4 cup dark chocolate chunk.
Add a lot white chocolate.
Add some baking M&M'S. Wow, that looks delicious.
It really does. I
Yeah.
hope Santa likes them.
Yeah.
We need to cover and refrigerate for about an hour. Bake at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes.